In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you effortlessly through the process of accessing and generating the reports you need to keep track of your business activities. To begin, you'll want to locate the Reports module within Zoho Books. To do this, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice a section marked as Reports. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a comprehensive list of all available reports within the system. The reports are conveniently organized into distinct categories such as Sales, Business Overview, Payables, Purchases, and Accountant. These categories are designed to help you easily navigate to the specific type of report you're interested in. If you're in a hurry and know exactly what you're looking for, there is a handy search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the report you need, and it will appear quickly in the results, saving you time. Now that you've located your desired report, it's time to run a standard report. First, click on the specific report you wish to view. This action will usually present you with a preview or some options to customize the report. The next step involves setting the date range that you are interested in analyzing. You'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to select predefined date ranges, or, if you need something more specific, you can use custom date options. Select the dates that encompass the period you want the report to cover. Once you've set your desired date range, you're ready to generate the report. At this point, locate and click on the Run Report button. This will initiate the generation of your report, and in a few moments, you should see the data appear on your screen. These insights provide valuable visibility into various aspects of your business operations and can be instrumental in strategic decision-making. Remember, Zoho Books offers a variety of reports, so feel free to explore and familiarize yourself with the different types to see what suits your business needs the best. If you ever encounter any issues or have specific requirements, Zoho's support and help features are always there to assist you. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to efficiently navigate through Zoho Books, accessing and interpreting the reports that are essential for managing your business. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your understanding of Zoho Books. Happy reporting!